Namaste, myself Dr. Rashmiya. In this video, we'll see the string related functionalities in Excel that could be used in data visualization of data. We'll see the functionalities first. Let's function, right function, mid function. These all could be used to extract particular sequence of characters from our text or the column that contains text. So left function is used to extract sequence of characters from our text in left direction. That means from left side we will start extracting the characters. The syntax is like this. Left, the text to be used to which extraction is done, or range, the column could be specified here, and number of characters should be mentioned. It's optional. If mentioned, those many characters will be extracted from the text. This is the example you can see. A range is specified followed by the second argument. One means only one character is extracted from the text. And next is right function. Same kind, it works in the similar way but in the right direction. The syntax is also similar. You can see the examples. Here also number of characters is mentioned as the second argument. Here 3 characters are extracted from the range specified in the right direction. These functionalities are used within some other examples so that its strength could be increased and could see the efficiency of these functionalities also. For this reason, I have shown you another example. Here the right functionality is containing text function. Usually text function is used to convert the data type of the data which is not in text. So the first text argument is specified by this function. We have a column. Later on we will see that we have a column. For that column we are converting the data as actually date data is present in this range. So date data is converted into text. So text range will be specified here in the first argument. In that argument, last 4 characters are extracted. This text function is used to convert. Next is mid. This is also similar, but extraction is done in the middle part. So we have one more argument. The starting part of the mid part has to be specified, that is beginning number, and third argument is as usual seen in the previous functions, that is number of characters to be extracted. The same thing is shown in the example also. Now we will work with these functions. This is the data set that is going to be considered now. It is all about student ID data set. Using this data set, we will try to auto-generate student ID as well as student IDs that are provided from the college to the students. How these things could be automatically generated using the string related functions. We will see these things. These are the columns for which we are going to find the values. Our data set is having serial number as the first column. Next is first name, last name, date of birth, mobile number, university code, and the last column is college ID. And we have a few conditions. Using these conditions, we will fill the column values. Our first condition is extract leftmost character or characters of column last name, and number of characters to be extracted is 1. So here, as it is leftmost extraction, left function has to be used. We will try to apply that. We will go back to the data set. Yeah, we will select the cells of the column equals left, and last name column is this. Select the range, that is C3 to C25, and number of characters as told earlier is 1. So 1, close the brackets, click Control Enter so that the values are filled in all the cells of the column. That means C3 to C25 is having last name. In this, firstmost character, very first leftmost character is selected and displayed here. Next, we will see the condition. What is the second condition? Extract rightmost character or characters of column first name, and number of characters to be extracted is 3. Okay, this also we will apply now. The second, select the cells, go to the formula bar, equals, right, tab space, select the range of first name. Yeah, first name is this. Yeah, it belongs to B column, so select B3 to B25, and number of characters is 3. Close the brackets and click Control Enter. Okay, we will check, are they the last 3 characters or the rightmost characters? Yes, VAN, yeah, VAN, ITH, and third one HAL. Yes, HAL is extracted. Fine. And next we will see next condition, extract middle character or characters of column first name, and number of characters that has to be extracted is started from 4th position. 4 characters has to be extracted from position 3. Yeah, we will go back to the data set. We will try to apply the formula here. Equals mid, tab space, as this has to be applied for first name. Select the B column, comma, and we need to specify the starting position of the extraction, that is 4 characters has to be extracted from 3rd position. Okay, so 3 comma 4. Close the brackets and Control Enter. Yeah, as from 3rd position in the first name, as in the first name Pavan, we have 5 characters, and in the 3rd position we have V character, and we don't have 4 characters, so only 3 characters are displayed, whereas in this we can see 4. If 4 are present, last 4, it will be shown from the 3rd position. Okay. Whereas in Rakshit we can see this. In Rohan also we have only 3, because from third position if we try to extract 4 characters, we have only 3, so 3 are displayed here. Substitute function is used to substitute old text for new text for old text in a text. Means we can substitute older text, or we can say previous text could be replaced from the latest text, that is the new text. For this we have a very simple syntax, that is the range of the text cell number has to be mentioned, followed by the second argument is the old text and third argument is the new text, and number of instances is the fourth argument, which is optional. Exactly for which instant we have to substitute the value, that also could be mentioned. We have 2 such examples here. The range is mentioned, and second argument is the old text, and third argument is the new text. We can also nest substitute function to substitute more than one value in the column, in the selected column. If we have to replace more than one text, or if we want to substitute more than one text in a single stretch, we could nest these substitute functions. We will see this. Okay, we will go back to the data set, select the cells, go to formula bar, type equals, substitute, tab space, and we are going to apply this substitute functionality for the column college ID. College ID is present in G column. Comma. The old text is I will consider this 57, and my new text could be AU. We'll see what happens now. Control Enter. See, only one value is replaced here. If we want to replace all such codes into alphabets, then the use of nesting the substitute functionality come into existence. So what we will do now is, let it be in a selection mode. We will include one more substitute function. Finally, as we have 5 different values, 5 different college codes, we have to replace 5 different new values. So I'm nesting 5 substitute functions. So after typing the functions, click Ctrl Enter. See, for all different values it has been replaced with the newer values. This nesting is very simple. Start to look from this part, substitute followed by the range, older value, newer value. This followed by this is nested in, and this becomes the text range for the outer substitute function. So for this, older value is 38 and your value is df. For all this, from this part to this part, this becomes the text range in which the third older value is replaced by the third outer value. Like this, nesting is continued. Now we'll see how to auto-generate student IDs. Our condition is to apply this. What is the condition? We will see. Auto-generate student ID using the above required results from above functions. For generating this student ID, we need to use the results that are generated from the previous functionalities what we have already seen. Okay, we will get into the data set now. Here we will try to generate the IDs. For this, we will select the cells, and to generate this ID, here we will use concat function. In this, I will type a string U03 followed by this column, the substitute column, which is having college code as numeric values, characters. Next, followed by this, we will insert or join a 0. After this, we will use our left function column. Next, we will use our first column. These are the unique numbers. Then close the brackets and hit Ctrl Enter. Okay, so here we go. We can see the IDs that are automatically generated by using this left function, substitute function. Like this, we can generate our IDs, student ID. Okay, similarly, we can try to generate our email address also. We have one more similar query: auto generate email ID for students using the above results of right function, mid function. Okay, we will try to apply this for generating email. For this also, I will use to concatenate those values. So I will use concat itself. Tab, and my first value is this one, I column, which is having the values that are generated by right function. And next, let me have a underscore, comma, next, this one, mid. The values of mid will be concatenated now, comma, at gmail.com. Now close the brackets, control enter. Yeah, you can see emails are also generated automatically. This is how you can use your the string functions for generating these auto generating concepts, these IDs, login numbers or usernames, like these things can be auto generated by using these string related functions. Now we'll see how to use ISNUMBER function. What is the use of this function? ISNUMBER function is used to check if a cell contains numeric value or not. If value is numeric, the function returns true. For any other values, this function returns false. So the result obtained from this function is true or false. Getting? This is an example which combines one more function inside it. We will see a demonstration how it works. For this, let's consider a column. Here is a column that contains various values. If this column contains text value, numeric value, some error kind of value, some date value, some integer values, string values. Okay. For this column, we will try to apply ISNumeric function. If it is a numeric, the answer will be true. If it is not a numeric value, the answer will be, or the result will be false. We will try to apply this again. Equals is numeric, tab space, select the column for which the formula has to be applied and click control enter. See? Okay. For enhancing the values, we can apply conditional formattings, and for this, what happens we will see. Okay, it will be more clear if we apply such conditional formatting. So this is the use of ISNumeric function. Next we will try to apply the search function. For this, the condition we will consider is search a text df in a substitute column and apply conditional formatting to it. Okay, we will go back to the data set. Okay, fine. We will select the cells. Okay, go to the formula bar, type the formula search. What we need to search? df in which column? Substitute column. We will see, this K column has to be selected. In this L column, we have the substituted college code. So we will consider this. We will close the brackets and hit control enter. So this is what it results. From the search function, the output is search position. It like df. It is the fourth character. So the starting point of the character is seen here. You could see the explanation here. Yeah, search function. See, search function locates the subtext within the searching text and returns starting position number of the subtext. So you can see the example for this. Base is searched in the database, so this B is in the position 5, so the result is 5 here. Yeah, the search what we applied is search a text in our ID generated column. For this, after getting the results, apply conditional formatting for better outlook. Next, we will see how to get a better result for this column. For this, what we can do is we can insert ISNUMBER function along with search function. We'll see what happens after typing the formula. Hit Ctrl Enter. See, we are having now the better results. Wherever df is present in the ID generated, for that corresponding row true is there, and for the remaining false we could see. So this is a better result. Like this we can combine the functions that are provided in Excel. For this we will try to apply conditional formats. Okay, again equal to true, or what we'll do is as this column contains text value, we need to select the condition, this text as contained, instead of this equal to. Here we go. We have applied the condition also, conditional formatting also. Okay, we'll see the next condition. Okay, the condition is find year of enrollment of the students. Okay, year of enrollment of the students using text and write functions in the data set considered. Okay, fine. What we need to find here? Year of enrollment of the students. Okay, we will see for which column we can apply the formula and get the value. Select the column. For this we will apply the formula equals right tab space text and we will try to select the date column, which is the D column, and we will enter the format, how it should be seen. This text function is used to convert the data into text. Okay, after typing the format, close the brackets, and is the number of characters. Again, Control Enter. Yeah, now we can see the year of enrollment. How we got this? This year of enrollment, as the date considered here is the date of birth of the students. I'm changing this column header as year of birth. The student birth we will find by using the combination of write formula and text formula. Fine. So what could be our condition now? We will have a change here. So what is the change? Find year of birth of the student using the same two combination of functions, that is text and write function in the data set considered. So our answer is the same now. 2000 is the birth of the first student and 1999 is the year of birth of the second student, so on. So we can find the year. This write function could not be used directly with this date of birth column. We will see that also. Yeah, here I will try to apply the formula. Last 4 we will try to extract 4 characters. Okay, the range is D3 to D25. Those are all the rows we have taken and 4 characters. Okay, control enter. See, we get a different value. So only we need to convert our data into text, and for the text data, if we apply this write function, the answer could be seen in a proper way. The next condition is we need to find the length of the student ID that is automatically generated. For this we need to find the length. What is the length of the student ID generated? We will try to find this. We will go back to the data set. Okay, select this column, try to apply the formula LEN tab, for which you are going to find the length for the ID generated. Select that column, close the brackets, control enter. Yeah, so we can find all the ID lengths. Few IDs are of the length 8 and few IDs are of length 9. Dataset used in this video is given in the description box below.